Postback is an essential element in a chatbot. And a postback could be reused in other chatbots. You may have several bots for your business, but there is a chance that a part of the bot is same for all the chatbots. In that case, you can create a postback just once and use it on every other bots. It will save your time while creating bots. Let's see how to create a postback. Go to Bot Manager and then click on Postback. All the postbacks that were created on your bots will be shown here. Click on the Create button to create a new postback. It will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. This is the postback. Double-click on the postback to give a name. Now, we will add replies for this postback. Finally, save it. Now, let's see how to use this postback in other chatbot. From the bot reply, let's edit a bot. Double-click on the button to add a postback. Give a name for the button. Select the button type as postback. Then select the postback ID. The same postback could be used in any bot. This is how we can create a postback and use it in other bots. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.